In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to clone any style of an infographic so that you can make unlimited infographics in the exact same style using Gemini 3. Right here is the reference infographic, and then this is the infographic that I created in the same style. So I'm going to show you guys how to do this with Gemini 3 super quick and easy. So all you got to do is come to Gemini right here and make sure that you already have a reference infographic saved to your computer. Then we're just going to go to gems over here on the left, and in the gems section over here we just want to create a new gem. So we're just going to name this My Company Infographics, and for the description you can leave it blank, but for the instructions we are going to put a specific prompt. I'm going to put this prompt in the description so you guys can just go ahead and copy and paste that. But basically, this is the prompt right here. You will receive information from the user, and your task is to generate a 9:16 infographic with the styles similar to the example in the knowledge base, and also added to remove any branding. You can make some changes here. So for example, if you want a different aspect ratio, you can change that, or you can play around with the prompt. I recommend using this though. Next up, we're going to add the file to the knowledge base down here. So just click add file and put in your reference infographic. So as you can see, we got the infographic in right there. And then on the right here, you can test the gem, but I'm just going to click save. And now here on the left, you see the My Company Infographics gem popped up. Another way to access this is you go to gems and you'll see it right here. So you can click on that and it'll open the gem just like that. So now to create the infographic for that style, all you got to do is type in whatever you want the infographic to be about. So I'm just going to put in how to learn to play the guitar. Make sure you click on tools, click on create image here, and also make sure you're on Thinking with 3 Pro so that we actually use Nano Banana Pro on Gemini 3. Then we're just going to submit this and we wait for the infographic to be created. And as you can see, the content is about playing the guitar and how to learn it. And you can see that the style is pretty much the exact same with the same colors, same fonts, and same overall style. So for example, if I put how to create an offer and we put create image, and boom, just like that, we got the infographic in the same style for a completely different topic. This was just a quick little trick I learned, pretty short video, but I wanted to share it with you guys nonetheless. If you did enjoy, please like the video and leave a subscribe. Also, if you want to learn more about N8N, you can go ahead and go to the description. I'll leave my school there, completely free to join, and I have a bunch of cool resources there you can check out. Also, if you're interested on learning how to land your first AI agency client, make sure to go down and book a call with me. I'll implement an entire lead gen system for you that's guaranteed to get you clients. Either way, guys, hope you enjoyed. See y'all in the next one. Peace!